you guys pin him right here in the alley as he comes out onto Tom right now, or are you too far away?
We could. I'll have to swing around and do a front pin, and then the two marked will have to go to the rear.
He's going down that alley. So you guys hit him on the front with Tom right now, and I'll be on the back.
Copy that. Stolly, follow me.
He's almost up to the roadway.
Go. What do you say?
There he is. Fuck.
Pin him right now.
See your fucking hand! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out! 3X59 shots fired. T-Tom number 3. Let me get on the ground!
Towards your side, man.
3X59, we're in pursuit. SO's main. Get on their channel. Fuck, dude, I think I shot him. X59, I'm riding with a DTF and unmarked. We're pursuing a blue Dodge pickup. It just TC'd at number 5 V Victor. Drivers, footbailing, eastbound, correction, westbound, into the Greenbelt, on the east side of Renner, Fuel North. It's last of Moon, first of Little Eagle. Let me see your ass! Let me see your ass! Hey! There he is! There he is! Go around. Hey, stop! Stop! Kayla! 3X59, he's approaching number 6. West of V Victor. Where is he? Hey, Hal, come here. Where is he? 3X59 is still in the Greenbelt, east of V, correction, west of V Victor. Three X59, unknown if he's injured. Let's go! Last of Moon, first of Little Eagle. Get out to the street right now, hands up! Hey! He was in here last time I saw. Who do we have over here? Ray, set up over there.